Hello everyone. Today we have a very special episode for you all because today is a magical day that Chef Harish has decided to bring out his skills and cook us a delicious mutton curry.
Yes.
Mr. Chef, what do we have cooking right here?
Oh, so we're cooking today mutton curry.
Yes.
So I added, let's say like in a style, 60 ml oil.
Okay.
And then I added 3 cardamom and 4 or 5 cloves. And then I added like 1 big bay leaf.
Okay.
Then I added 1 big onion and 3 green chili.
Nice. This is a pressure cooker and we are first frying all of those ingredients up. We already have our mutton washed and ready to go. That yellow color is turmeric because we wash it with turmeric to disinfect it. We have some tomato chopped up here, just one. Yeah. So I think what we're doing is we're getting the onions golden brown.
Yeah, you can also cook on regular pans, but it takes more time. Like probably takes 30-40 minutes because mutton takes time to cook.
Versus the pressure cooker. Okay.
Pressure cooker a little fast.
Right. I think in general is better for mutton specifically, just because it's a thicker meat and you want it to be thoroughly cooked.
Yeah. So I added ginger garlic paste.
Okay. About a tablespoon ish of ginger garlic paste. We're gonna stir all that up.
Yeah, you just cook until the raw flavor go away.
So based off of the smell, once that raw smell goes away, then that means it's cooked and ready for the next step. Adding the tomato. Giving it a stir. All right. So
Those well cooked. Now I'm gonna add the mutton.
adding the mutton now. Once the veggies are well cooked.
Mix well. You just have to mix all the flavor into mutton.
All right.
So you can leave like 5 minutes or 3 minutes like this, and then we can add all the spices.
So let the mutton fry first a bit?
Yeah, just
before?
2 minutes.
Okay. Okay, so he has been letting it sit for a few minutes and then he stirs it every now and then. Why do we fry it first before we do the pressure cooking part?
Just like it gives maybe some flavor to the pieces, and also they cook a little bit first before we add all masalas and spices.
Nice.
So I'm not that expert. I just know how to cook.
Yes.
I don't know the logics, reasons behind.
I got it.
Why we're adding exactly, you know?
We just do what we know what to do.
Exactly. I only know how to make it tasty.
Exactly.
So
we have turmeric, chili powder, and coriander powder.
adding just a little bit of turmeric
Okay.
and red chili. Just this, it's fine. It's gotta be spicy.
We want fire.
Yes, and then 1 spoon of coriander powder.
Okay.
That should be all.
Nice.
Just mix it well, and then we can leave a couple of minutes like this.
Okay.
So all the spices will go into the pieces.
Yes.
And then we add salt and water.
Look at how beautiful this looks.
I'm adding less in case if we need it later.
Yeah, we can always add more if it needs it.
Yeah.
All that goodness mixed up.
Juicy, spicy mutton.
This is gonna be numb your lips spicy.
Extra spicy today.
Ooh. So now we're gonna add some water.
Not too much, just until the pieces will not do properly.
Okay. It's just for like the extra gravy, right?
Yeah, and also cooks the mutton.
Okay. Now we're finally covering it so that it can start the pressure cooker process.
Can leave it for 7-8 whistles on medium flame.
7 to 8 whistles on medium flame. Moment of truth. Ooh.
Still need to cook a few minutes.
Needs to cook for a few minutes.
Yeah, just the last few ingredients.
Oh my god, it's a fire. Whoa. The smell is delicious.
Take coconut powder and garam masala.
We are adding some coconut shavings or coconut powder.
Yeah.
Chef Harish says it's to balance everything out, and a little bit of garam masala. Gonna mix all that up. Making sure we're checking the meat. Now we're adding cilantro as the finishing touch and give it that extra good flavor.
Just we can leave it for 2-3 minutes. So
the gravy thickens. Okay. All right. Chef Harish says.
it's done.
Oh my goodness, it's delicious. So after the whistles go off, we took the cap off and we let this cook for some time so that the gravy thickens. And now it is perfect. Final product. Amazing and beautiful, and it's smelling like a wow. Super excited. Look at this beauty, guys. Look at this. Delicious. What do you think, sir?
It's very good.
Yeah. Approved by Chef Harish.
Amazing, as I have to say.
Yeah.
I made an own meeting.
Yeah, I already know it's gonna be good based off of the smell. All right, guys, well, I just wanted to give my final review. That was absolutely amazing. And I'm not saying it because Harish made it. It was super spicy, that type of spice where your lips get numb and your ears plug and your nose starts running, but we couldn't stop eating. It was really, really good. So try it out if you want, because it's a fail-safe, delicious curry.